Hi friends, you are welcome on my YouTube channel. Now I am going to you can say show you how to do approach grafting. It is not only for in the custard apple, but it is applicable for all the plants. Understand? The stock should be the root stock plant should be of 1 to 2 year old, and the stock on which you are going to means join that part, that should be also 1 to 2 years of age. Now I have taken this plant which is of you can say 1.5 year old. Now I took it from the soil and now filling in the pocket, understand, with coco pit. Coco pit is you can say mixed with you can say compost or vermicompost. 20% vermicompost should be inside, and that you can say coco pit should be wetted or moistured. Understand, the moisture should be there, just like as we means prepare it for means planting plants. Such type of you can say moist it with water, and tightly you have to means you can say keep that root inside the pocket, and tightly or compactly keep that roots in that polythene. After that you have to take that plant to where you are going to you can say do that air layering. So you have to select vertical branches generally. If branches are horizontal, then it will be difficult to you can say do that process of approach grafting or contact grafting. This is one type of approach grafting or contact grafting you can say, but method is different. Understand, there are 2 or 3 methods of approach grafting. Now what I have to do now, you have to cut that you can say initial plant which is you can say potted just in the polythene. Now you have to cut that plant from the you can say after the height of you can say 7 to 8 inch or 10 inch after 10 inch, but I have cut this after you can say 15 inch, about 15 inch. Now you can say take a sharp knife, grafting knife. Now I am taking the hornbill knife. You can also take a steel knife, simple household knife also. You can use such type of means you can say homemade tools you can say. Now what to do next? Now you have to give such type of 5 to 6 centimeter, that 5 to 6 centimeter cut, such a way means you have to make such type of a cut, only one side cut. It should start from 0 to 20, 0 to 20, such type of cut should be there. Now the same by means joining that where you have to cut such type of thing, first you have to take measurement there, and by measuring how many centimeters cut you have taken on the root stock, the same distance hardwood plus you can say bark you have to take from the mother plant. Now that one is the mother plant, we have taking you can say hardwood plus you can say bark, such a way. After taking 50% of the portion, 50% of the mother you can say mother plants you can say branch portion, you have to attach this you can say cut part of both the stalk. Now such a way you have to join, see here, such a way you have to join both the part. Now take polythene or any rope, it may be plastic rope or jute rope, whatever available at your home. Now give one such type of a cut where at the top where we can insert the top part of the root stalks cut. Now such a way you have to insert it on the top part. Only that is only for you can say packing purpose or junction purpose. Now start winding the plastic strip, no air should be there. Such a way you have to tie it tightly, and as you can say wind that plastic rope or such type of you can say polythene strip you can use any one, plastic rope or jute rope or such type of a thick size polythene up to the top. No air should be there. And most of the means you can, so many person ask me, sir, what about the rain? So there is no danger of rain because there is no air and both the parts are compactly, you can say, binded by us. So don't worry. And after 60 to 80 days, you have to detach the mother tongue's branch from that original plant. You will get that new branch to your pocketing plant. Now after that you have to, you can say, tie this, you can say, pocket to any branch or any stick only for giving support. So you have to keep this for 60 to 70 days. So the best season for this is rainy season. Rainy season is the best season for this approach or contact grafting. You can use this this process, same process you can do for jackfruit, guava, orange, and so many, on so many plants the same process can be applied, but for that you must have seedlings of 1 to 2 years. That is very important. Even you can use pocketing plants also. There is no need to means fill. If you have plants in pocket, understand, that same pocket with plant you have to take to that plant's branch, and first you have to means, you can say, tie that pocket where you are going to attach, understand, by taking distance, and then you have to cut. Then you have to cut the same, you can say, such a way both the parts and attach it. You will get the new variety, you will get liked variety of any plant. So this one is the best method if you are not means using V grafting or other graftings and you are not getting such type of success. So this one is the best grafting where the success rate is 100%. Only the problem is that you must have that pocketing plants. If consider there is no raining, so you have to even give water to that pocket for the survival purpose, understand. So such type of a precaution you have to take. So dear friends, now I am, you can say, due to the weight, this polythene, you can say, coco pit bag is coming downwards, and that's why I am means, you can say, attaching this, that you can say, coco pit, you can say, pocket to the main branch, understand, by which it can bear the weight. Now it is in good position, but you have to use vertically. So subscribe my channel by clicking